Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add WhatsApp link in TikTok. So let's get right into it. Head over to your WhatsApp and head over to any group from which you want to take your link. Then go to the three dots icon on the upper right corner. Then go to group info. Then scroll down and you will see an option invite via link. Head over to it and just click on copy link. And your link is copied to clipboard. Then head over to your TikTok application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account in which you want to add your WhatsApp link in. Then head over to your profile. Once you're there, just go to edit profile. And here just go to add bio. Then just paste the WhatsApp link. Once you paste it, click on save. Once you paste it, click on save. And once your bio is saved, you can just share it with anyone you want. And yeah, this is how you can add your WhatsApp link in TikTok. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.